welcome back to my channel. Stay gorgeous. Hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to do a quick and easy tutorial on eyeliner because there are so many girls who wanted to do makeup but they cannot. I'm here to help them. I will try my best. Hope you will like it. If you want more this kind of video, then don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell, otherwise you will miss my video. Girls, this is really important. I want your feedback. Please let me know that how helpful my videos are. So girls, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. I have done my base makeup of camera. I am using Lakme Instant Liner and Lakme Matte White Black Impact Eyeliner for this look. I am first taking Lakme Instant Liner because it has really small and sharp tip. Then I am taking my Lakme Matte White Black Impact Eyeliner to fill my upper lash line. So guys, here it is. I have tried to make this as easy as possible. I will catch up after completing my another eye. So girls, this is the easiest step to get a perfect wing liner. I hope you will try this at your home and please let me know your feedback. So guys, if you have liked my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and please comment down below what you want to see in my next video. Like this video and share this video with your friends and family. So guys, I will meet you in my next video. Till then, tata, take care and bye.